Good morning. This is topic 5-3, graphing lines in y equals mx plus b form. So when you are graphing, I know Schoology is a little bit strange to input answers, but we're going to do this where these are highlighted image. So the yellow is going to be the point given, and then the red, because you're going to be given a point and then have to travel through slope, and so the red will be 2 points above and 2 points below the given point. And I'm going to demonstrate that as we go along. So when you have the point -3, 1, you're going to graph -3, 1. The slope, this is a fraction. This also is 3 up, 1 right. That's how slope travels. So what you're going to do is you're going to go 3 up, 1 right, 3 up, 1 right, and these are in red. And then to travel the other way, you're going to travel 3 down and 1 left. And what I'm doing is I'm reversing the directions of the words. So I'm going to go 3 down and 1 left, and 3 down and 1 left. On your assignment, please do not connect the dots. It'll get too confusing. But if you were in class, you would be connecting those dots to make a straight line. Okay, number 2. The first dot is, the first placement is 5, 2. Now this negative I'm going to put up top first, and that would be 4 down, 3 right, and the reverse direction would be 4 up, 3 left. That's how you read slope, because the numerator is the rise and the denominator is the run. This is the up, down. It's either up or down, and this is either left or right. So I'm going to, and if you notice, this is a negative slope, so it's going to be like that. So I'm going to go 4 down and 3 right. And I can't go, and that's fine. I understand that sometimes you run out of graph. And then go 4 up and 3 left. And 4 up and 3 left. And again, on Schoology, please do not connect the dots. So your first dot is your yellow, and then how you travel 2 above, 2 below if they fit, and that's how you're going to put them in Schoology. And that's how you're going to, that's given a point, draw a line, but we're just drawing dots for the ease. Okay, so here, my first point is at -3, -5. I can put this as a fraction. I'm going to put my negative in my numerator first. That's 4 down, 1 right. And notice it's going to be going like that. My other direction is 4 up, 1 left. So if I go 4 down, 1 right, 4 up, 1 left, 4 up, and then that's fine. The next one, the point is at 2, -4. This is a positive slope, So it's going to be going like that. This is 1 up, 3 right, or 1 down, 3 left. So 1 up, 3 right. One up, 3 right. That's going to continue on. 1 down, 3 left. 1 down, 3 left. So if you connected those, that would create a straight line. Okay, the next part is you are now given an equation. You are now given an equation, and you're going to have to graph the line from the equation. So the graph of the equation y equals mx plus b and is a line whose slope is m and b is y-intercept. And y-intercept means where line crosses y axis. Okay, so the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. The y-intercept will always be in the form 0 common number. In here, this is your m. It says state the slope and the y-intercept and graph the line. And this is your b with the sign. So m is 2, b is 0, 4. This information right here tells you where to put your first point on graphing a line. So this says I'm going to go to 0, 4. The slope is 2, which is 2 over 1, which is 2 up, 1 right. That also can be 2 down, 1 left. So I'm going 2 up, 1 right, 2 up, 1 right, 2 down, 1 left, 2 down, 1 left. My slope is -3 over 2. My y-intercept is 0, -3. If I write my slope with the negative in the numerator, it's 3 down, 2 right. Reversing the direction is 3 up, 2 left. So I start at 0, -3. I travel 3 down and 2 right. I go back to my y-intercept. I go 3 up, 2 left, 3 up, 2 left. Here there is not a b, so my b is going to be 0, 0. My slope is -4. With my slope being -4, I'm going to write it in fractional form with the negative on top, which is 4 down, 1 right. Reversing the direction would be 4 up, 1 left. This starts at the origin. It then travels 4 down and 1 right. Then I go back to my origin and take care of the other direction and go 4 up, 1 left. Here my slope is 5/3. My y-intercept is -4. 0, -4. Putting my first dot at 0, -4. Traveling 5 up, 3 right. Oh, sorry. That was not 3 right. That was only 5 up. Let me erase him. Sorry, that was not 5 up, 3 over. That was 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And then reverse direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, because this was 5 up, 3 right, and 5 down, 3 left. Okay, so we're also going to bring back some information that this is a direct variation. And direct variations have 3 characteristics. 1, it's a line, which that is, it's in the form of a line. 2, it goes through 0, 0. And the third point is y over x is constant the entire time. And all your y over x's are equal to your y over x's, and that's actually the definition of slope. This one is not a direct variation because this has a y-intercept of -4. So in order for it to be a direct variation, it needs to have all 3 of these points. So that one is a direct variation. If you have any questions, please let me know.